Ma'am, alam ni Presidente.
Diyos po, akala mo ba yung Presidente natin nagtatrabaho? Hindi nagtatanong yan at all. Hindi. I swear to the flag. Si BBM, he doesn't command, he doesn't ask, he doesn't say that, look, there's a Philippine development plan and what are you supposed to do about this? Akala nyo ba yung ginawa ko sa DepEd, galing yung kay BBM? Hindi, akin yun. Lahat. Ako na nga lang siguro yung kaisa-isa doon nag-deliver para sa cabinet ni BBM. Tapos ganoon pa yung gagawin nila sa akin. Pwede nang nawala ako, wala na. Wala na siyang accomplishment at all.
So lahat ng katiwalian na nangyari sa loob ng DepEd falls on your head. It's on you. Ikaw lang, wala nang iba.